Hello and welcome to this video about importing external items into Mastership. We can have two types of external items. One can concern, for example, piping systems or an engine or pumps. And the other types are plate parts, which we see here, and both need a different approach. For importing plate parts, we can use the command ship solid to part. And with this command, we can import any plate part regardless of the file format. And we can do multiple at once. So with this command, we could even import complete assemblies coming from different softwares. So let's see how it looks. In this case, I imported the plate part directly into the frame, but we could also import it into the assembly. When I open this drawing, we see a nice frame drawing with all the Masterships included, except for one. So using, so this is a solid, so we can see it actually has a thickness. We can use the command ship solid to part. And then we can click it, and it also works for surfaces and regions. Because this is a solid, the thickness is automatically recognized, and it's also assigned a part ID, which is automatically generated. Now the part is generated. We can see that because the color of the solid had changed. And we also see the part outline and an inner line for cutting the hole. And we see the part data block. So, and then the final step would be to move it to its actual position. When we look at importing external items like piping systems or an engine, we can use the command ship edit custom item. So here I prepared a box. So in this case, we could imagine it's an engine. We're going to place it on this foundation. I'm going to move it from here to there. And to include it for the COG calculations, we can do custom item, but also for the reports. And we can give it a name, for example, a MAN engine 86. We can use it for the COG calculation, and we can also override it by giving it a specific coordinates. For the weight, we can either assign it a material, or we can override the mass. That's what I'm going to do. I'm giving this engine a weight of 800 kilos. Then we can click OK. Now the engine is also imported into Mastership. Both of the parts will show up in the reports and will be taken up into the COG calculations, and the part will also show up in the nestings. So this concludes this video. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos.